it's Ella Belita Loves Slots. We're here in the lobby of the Aria. And I just can't believe how cute their display is right now. Just look at these little bears. Oh my goodness. It's like a Grateful Dead concert come to life. Oh, look at this one. He's boosting his sister. He's like, come on, let's go. And I believe they're made of feathers. These guys are getting into a little scrap. What's going on, guys? We need to be friends. Some of them are levitating. This little guy here. Oh my gosh. This is fun. Look at them flying through the air there. So what is going on here? It looks like this artwork is by Paola Pivi, born 1971 in Milan, Italy. And it's called We Are the Baby Gang. And it's 51 bears. So let's check it out some more. We'll walk around. See what these little guys are doing here. Check out all their cute little expressions. In the meantime, there's all these friends flying up overhead. This one looks like it's getting a little drink of water. Pretty darn cute. What else is going on here, my little friends? Oh, look at this one. She looks like she's feeling herself. Looking super cute there in her little pee. Uh-oh. These guys look like they need to be separated. That doesn't look good. That feels to me like it's going to end in some bloodshed. I don't like the looks of that. Hey, this one. Kind of levitating, like doing a little Cirque du Soleil number there. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I can't get over this. I love this installation. Oh my gosh, some of them look like they're just falling out or maybe asleep. Hopefully they're asleep. I like this little purple bear here. Just chilling on the rock. That's what I do. I find a rock and I hang out. Let's see what these other guys are doing here. So if we go up to the ceiling here, you can see they're all the way up here. Hanging out. Oh, goodness. I love what they do here at the Aria. They always have such really wonderful displays in the lobby, but I think this is the best one I've ever seen. These cute guys. Aww. Best friends. This one looks like it's scratching an itch here. Kind of looks what my cat does when she has a good spot to scratch. A little overview from this side here. You can see up in the air there and above us. They're everywhere. I don't know. All we need is some music from the Grateful Dead for this to be like the ultimate. Let's see what else we've got over here since we're walking all the way around. Oh my gosh, look at that. Scratch that itch. This one looks like it's having a nice moment there. Look at these cuties. Snugging. This one's like, oh, hell no. I know you're not with my man. Here's those two fighting again. What's happening over here? Uh-oh, that looks a little bit suspect. This one is just like, that's it, I'm done. Not having it. It's got this one flying over its head, so who can blame him? And you got this little guy here. So there you go. We've walked all the way around this amazing display, this art installation at the Aria. This is mid-September 2021. Let's check out the name of the artist once again. Paola Pivi, born 1971 from Milan, Italy. This is called We Are the Baby Gang. It's created between 2019 and 2021. Definitely worth a look. If you find yourself here at the Aria, I just love all of the individual expressions. From all of these bears all the way up the ceiling. Let's zoom in a little bit. You can see what some of them are doing. Little Cirque du Soleil action up there. Too cute. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.